Hey guys, this thing when every year these guys just go out to the field over there and then they just set off tons of fireworks. I've got like 4 clips of it. I'll try not. Hey guys, this thing, I'm sorry for the reflection, but these guys every year they put fireworks out. It's quite annoying, but we get them for free, so I'm not complaining. The guys are literally just over there. I don't know if you can see them, but they're literally just there. The guys just let them. All from those 2 guys over there. This is crazy. They're just in this wasteland thing across from my house. It's crazy. Oh, one! They're backfiring. Shoot. They're just firing on the ground now. Damn. Hopefully none of them got hit. That was Singing. Peace. More fireworks. Does he just stop recording? Jesus Christ, there's like flames of them. I think those were the ones that backfired earlier. I thought they'd stop, but no, they keep going. I'll try and get as much content for you guys as possible. He's lighting them again. Oh, one in the back front again. Jeez. It's happened quite a lot now. Those are different fireworks. They're coming from like every garden. And then those guys are lighting them. Oh my god, there's an actual fire there. Oh no, one of them backfired again. This keeps happening. Those guys are really dangerous. More fun, more fireworks fun, more. They're just lighting more. I wish I had a 360 camera I could just put in the street, because then you guys would be able to see them all. There's ones like over that way. But if you see, oh, there's firing more. These things are flying dangerously close to our house. Like all the things off the fireworks. I can't get that one went too high. But like down here, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a little bit, that's my skateboard. There's like little bits of white stuff. That's like bits of the fireworks. I've went everywhere. One's nearly hit my phone. And vans and all the cars around me. Kinda dangerous, but it's fun. It's not my dad, it's out here, he's away shooting, but there's a car who's driving by. I don't know if you can see that light there, that's their iPhone torch. I can see this much better than you guys, but yeah. I've got my light on as well, so you guys can see better. Oh, one of them backfired again. Just set the fireworks at one. From 2 houses as well. It was crazy. And I'm going to start commenting after 30 minutes after the video. I'll start commenting. Or 30 minutes after I upload, I'm going to start commenting back to you guys' comments. This is taking ages to start. It's like 12 at night and they're still firing fireworks. Oh, another one. Did you guys see that one? That was loud as hell. This is a ghetto rig that I'm using. I should be filming on my GoPro, but I film most of my videos on GoPro, so this will be a little bit of change. Oh, the guys just lit it. Oh, I think this one will backfire. Hopefully not to them. Wow, these are a lot of fireworks. If you guys are watching from the Netherlands or America, we just fire fireworks in the air one day of a year. And it's just fun because anywhere you go on this day, it's crazy. I know there's people, some guys from the Netherlands, because I am magic. I'm doing my Q&A for my next video, so be sure to spam the comments on questions in this video. God, I wish my camera was better in low light. Oh, he's lit again. It's really lit here. Oh, you see that? That's literally on the floor. It's going to explode the other boxes of fireworks. This is Bonfire's Day, if you guys want to know the name of it, from Netherlands and America. It's like a bit like 4th of July, but this guy robbed a bank and then he got burned, and then there fired fireworks and all that at him. So that's how this came around. But we normally light fires and all that, but it doesn't really happen now because of the environmental warning stuff that happens all the time. And then there's everywhere. I'm hanging out my window just to get this footage as well. The lighting more. We're 7 minutes into this video. 7 minutes of fireworks. This is crazy. People are just parking up over there as well. Can you see the car lights? People are just parking up. They're right in from our street. I know the people in our street now, and those aren't people. It's funny. Oh, he's just turning a wall. I think they're having some difficulty lighting it. I don't know if you can hear them talking, but they're complaining about the fireworks not lighting quick enough. It's a really cold day. I don't know why they're like in t-shirts. Wearing them in a jacket, but it's like a leather one. They're crazy. What, did you see that spark? That was him lighting a lighter. think I'll need to cut the outro out of that last clip. It keeps going on and on and on. But I think I'll finish the video here whilst they're struggling. So, see you in the next one. Like 4 fireworks nearly hit that house over there. The house that they're coming from. Like, just from over there. Went all the way over there to that house. See the one with the lights on? I think they're going around to complain. That was crazy. I was just watching them for fun because I thought they'd stop. But this is crazy. The house over there that's got that light on, down there, don't know if you can see it. They're the ones that are they're coming through the house. So I think they've stopped now. I'm going to put this in just before I end the video. So I'll see you guys later in the next last clip, so peace.